Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Motorola Moto G15 and let me share with you how to activate automatic system updates on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find About Phone. Now let's find device identifiers and keep tapping on the build number until you'll see that you're in the developer mode. Now let's go back to the general list and enter the system and tap on developer options. And here all we have to do is to scroll down just a little bit to find this option, automatic system updates, and tap on the switcher to turn it on. So from now on, since this option is active, your device is allowed to apply the updates whenever it will be restarted. So you do not really have to remember about updating your device. However, remember about restarting it from time to time so it will have a chance to download the updates. Of course, you can turn this option off just by tapping on the switcher again. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.